Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mickey Straps, and I'm back again with another video, man. So today I'm gonna be talking about why I EDC the Glock 26 and why it's one of my favorite Glocks. We also testing out a new range today. So we going to a new range, and normally what I do is just shoot in my yard because I have land and I just bought some steel. So what we are going to do is show y'all my 26. This is my EDC, one of my favorites. I also EDC a 23 and sometimes, depending on the weather, a 19X. Just depends on the weather, I guess, whatever I'm wearing at the time. But for the most part, I love this 26, and it is one of my everyday carries. It is clear. Yeah, so Glock 26, EDC, and why I EDC it. I'm gonna show y'all how I shoot with it. Shit, you might like it. You might go get you one. So let's go. We got pretty early right now, so we're gonna hit the range. It is raining kind of bit, so sprinkling, misting, whatever. So we just gonna. It's gonna be me and my girl today. I'm taking my girl out. We just got her new gun, Glock 43X. If y'all check out my shorts, y'all see that thing. Just wait a little bit in the video, you'll see it too. So, alright, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We just bought some targets. Well, I don't know, we bought some targets. Hi, y'all. We at the range, and it's chilly than a motherfucker. Appreciate it, my guy. You're welcome. Yeah. This one. Oh no, he got it. We back out here with another video. Today we're gonna be talking about my Glock 26 and why I love to EDC this thing. As you can see, that damn thing got some scrape marks on it already. So we gonna run. How many rounds we got?
Well, I really don't know.
Shit, probably about 100. We probably got about 100 rounds. So we gonna run these out of this and the 43X. Let me see your gun. So these both are guns we're gonna be running today. Might do a comparison video on them. They are the same length. The 43X has a little bit more grip and it's slimmer, of course, but other than that, man, they about the same size. Other than, you ain't got that extra pinky space right there. But we're gonna go ahead and put some shots through it. Try to do some good groupings.
Ha-ha!
Damn, look at my target.
They on the ground. The circle one's on the ground.
No, I said look at the target.
It's yeah. Now I can't stop thinking about the Mickey Mouse song. And Elmo went crazy.
I'm gonna put that in the video.
Damn gun.
Cause what happened?
Huh?
Cause what happened?
Hell, cause my stepdaddy was a crackhead. He wasn't buying no guns. I ain't never seen no crackhead with a gun. Have you?
Yeah.
Well, in Chicago, I'm sure the crackheads is different. hit the center. Almost. Almost.
So what I would say is, like, one of the only cons is when you go to reach for it, you really don't have like too much grip to actually grab it. So it's like you gotta grab it from high up, and then, you know. Damn, that shit hit me. Like my quick draw, hands up here, go for the gun.
I can critique myself. I know one of my problems is when I'm finna shoot, I get nervous. Let's not get nervous, people, because if it's a time where we gotta pull a trigger, it gotta be a serious issue. So don't be nervous. Be prepared. You like that, don't you? I'm finna shoot these targets because I wanna see if I can hit up in their head.
Oh my God! What do you mean by that?
Freeze!
I'm not even recording.
Freeze! Freeze!
Gotcha, bitch!
I didn't cock it, but I was ready. I knew I was gonna hit it that time. I knew it. Freeze, you thieving ass nigga trying to jump in somebody's window.
Yeah, so what you think about the range?
I like it.
They got
I
plenty
like
of shit too. This
It's
thing,
just a small section of it.
yeah, this thing is huge.
They got a pond over here too. I was looking at the mountain side of here.
Yeah. This thing huge, bro. He on it's a guy over here on the rifle range.
Here.
Huh?
There's only one other person here, so it's really private.
Alright, man, so that's the end of this video for the day. We are out of ammo.
Well, we got a little bit, but just for like one clip.
Shit, that's enough to fill up a clip. That's enough to get us home, you know?